Anyone born on American soil is a citizen. That's what the Supreme Court has decided, announcing a 6-3 vote today to uphold birthright citizenship.
People on both sides of this issue are weighing in on the decision. Fox 10's Taylor Wirtz joins us now with more on that. Taylor.
Yeah, John and Christina, President Trump says he accepts the Supreme Court's decision, but is now calling on Congress to step in. Immigration activists here in Arizona called today a win, but say there's more work to be done.
A big decision in the immigration battle Tuesday, as the Supreme Court ruled 6-3 to uphold birthright citizenship, meaning anyone born on U.S. soil is a U.S. citizen, regardless of their parents' status. It's a blow to President Trump, who issued an executive order to end the practice just hours after his second inauguration. The president accepted the ruling but criticized it on Truth Social, writing that Congress should immediately work to end what he called, quote, an expensive and unfair birthright citizenship. House Speaker Mike Johnson echoed that sentiment.
We need to address the issue as quickly and as efficiently as we can.
The president's legal team had argued automatic citizenship was never the intention of the 14th Amendment. Immigrant rights activist Dulce Matus, who moved to the U.S. with her mother when she was 15, says the court upheld the law.
The Supreme Court reaffirmed what we already know, that we cannot create second-class citizenship.
For Jose Patino with the Phoenix nonprofit Aliento, Tuesday's decision brings mixed emotions for the families he serves.
I think there's a lot of happiness for more the advocate spectrum from us. It's a little concerning that it got this far.
Coconino County Treasurer Sarah Benatar says the ruling is deeply personal. Her family immigrated from Guatemala before she was born.
It hits so close to home because I'm in that boat, right? What would that have meant if that would have been 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago?
While activists consider the ruling a win, they say the fight isn't over.
The only way that President Trump could end birthright citizenship now would be a constitutional amendment. For the time being, it doesn't seem like either side is ready to back down. Reporting live, Taylor Wirtz, Fox 10 News.